Good morning, all of you. Welcome back again in Shri Ganesh online lecture series. Dear students, we have started here chapter number 5th, evolution of mankind, and today we are in the last stage of this chapter. Today we are going to complete last point, which one is Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Okay, but before that a small paragraph was remain of Homo sapiens. Okay, so open your textbook, page number 21. First of all, I'm going to read it. While reading, small points I will explain you. After that, we are going to see question answers. Okay. So see, as your yesterday's experience, if you will keep finger there, then you can give answers. Okay. So if you want to give answers, put your index finger there. Okay. So see, the human species, page number 21, Homo sapiens. The human species that was more intelligent than any of the earlier species was named Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon. Cro-Magnon man. How it knows? In Europe, Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continents of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit the task they needed to do. They used to make stone blades and fix them in grooves and notches made in the wood or bone handles. Okay? Homo sapiens sapiens evolved means developed to the stages of having a fully developed larynx which could produce a range of sound with subtle differences. Their jaws, this one is our jaw. Their jaws and muscles inside the mouth were well developed, and the tongue was flexible. Now our tongue is flexible, anywhere we can move it, flexible. Hence Homo sapiens could use them produce a variety of sounds and modulate his voice the way of link. Like using his imagination, he could give names to the different things he saw and could put his thoughts and feelings into words. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. In short, he had a well-developed language system. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. He even began to make artistic objects. That is why he has been named Homo sapiens. That is intelligent man or thinking man. Okay. In book it is shown that he was doing paintings in cave. Okay, so from that we can know that he was thinking. Do you know, if we are thinking, then only we can draw something. Okay, so whatever our mind is thinking, that only we are drawing. So like this. Now 5.2, Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. See, Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the humans as their capacity to think develop even further than that of Homo sapiens. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also develop further with time. We the modern humans are Homo sapiens sapiens. The modern humans are Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and the health characteristics of human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors. Ancestors means in Marathi Purvaj, means father, his father, forefather, like this. This is known as heredity. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. Thus, it can be said that the Neanderthal man and the Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern humans. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed in developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals because of their well-developed capacity to think. The speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. They began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grain in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. From their food, carbohydrates are increased because these people are settled and they were growing food grains in the field. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans, their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generations. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical prowess. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Through their efforts to enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture. Put your finger properly, and continue to develop it. The technological, and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. The history of the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages. In the following lesson, we shall learn about various facets of humans culture at these different stages. Okay, so like this our lesson is completed. See, I'll just read here and I'll explain you some small points. Okay, why I have taken this reading? Because you have to put your finger there and you have to find out answers. Okay, because if teacher is telling that you have to read this chapter, you are not reading. I know that. Okay, so for that purpose I have taken this reading. Now we will proceed to our question answers. See, first question, fill in the blanks. In dash Homo sapiens are also known as Cro-Magnon man. In which state? Sorry, in which country? Europe. Homo sapiens had a fully developed dash system. Homo sapiens had fully developed language system. Then we, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens. Then dash is a science that studies heredity. Which science studies heredity? Genetics. The dash began to live a more settled life. Who began to live more settled life? Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens began to live more settled life. Okay. Now see here, only one question is there. Answer the following question in one sentence. What is the main difference between Homo sapiens and Homo sapiens? What is the difference? So see, Homo sapiens was more intelligent. Homo sapiens was more intelligent. As his thinking capacity, developed more than the Homo sapiens. His thinking capacity was developed more than Homo sapiens. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so do proper study, revise this question answers again and again. Copy these question answers in your notebook today as a homework. Yesterday, very few students had sent this homework. Okay, do it properly. If we are taking this much potentially, then you should also take it properly. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow we will meet with the new chapter. Thank you very much.